Good morning. My name is Ron Morris. This is Moving Forward TV, your local real estate and mortgage update.
And I am Delynn Gaston. Thanks for being with us. Today's show, we wanted to quickly talk about the programs that are available for us today and the programs that are not available for us today, because we still do get a lot of questions about the programs out there that no longer exist. Let's start with the nots.
Stated income?
No.
No asset documentation?
No.
500 credit scores?
No. None of those funky programs. They are all completely gone these days, so don't even ask about them.
Keep in mind, we're here to help your clients with the programs that are available for you.
Now, that being said, let's look at what is available in today's marketplace. Okay, fixed rate loans. These are loans that are fixed. The interest rate is not going to change, and therefore your payment will not change over the entire term of the loan. And the terms of the loan are usually 10 years, 15 years, 20 years, or 30 years, and the entire time your payment will not change.
And bear in mind, these loans are safe, stable. The principal and interest portion of it will never, ever, ever change. And bear in mind, the longer the term, as Delynn mentioned, 15 to 30 years, the longer the term, the lower your monthly payment's going to be. One thing we do want to remind everybody out there, just because if you have a 15-year payment is not twice the size of a 30-year payment.
Right.
Typically, it's going to be, depending on the loan amount, of course, maybe $200, $300 more. If you can afford that 15-year payment, that's the way to go.
Adjustable rate mortgages, also known as ARMs, A-R-M-S. These are just that, they adjust. The interest rate adjusts every single year or 3 years or 5 years or 7 years, depending upon what it was set for, which means your payment is going to adjust every single year or 3 years or 5 years as well, depending upon what the markets are doing. Sometimes you win and your payment goes down, sometimes you lose and your payment goes up.
And this product's had a bad reputation for a long
Yes.
time, really stemming back from the subprime days. It's the right product under the right set of circumstances. For example, if I have a client sitting down in front of me and they tell me, I'm in that house for 3 years and then I'm out of here, regardless of the situation, but they know they're going to be out of that home in, say, 3 to 5 years, then let's look at a 5-year ARM. You're going to lower your rate maybe about a point, so you could be in the 3s on that, and you're not going to worry or be stressed out about when it does change down the road and the rates could be higher than what fixed rates are. Right set of circumstances, and ARM's a great product.
Buy downs. These are programs that are typically written on a 30-year fixed rate, but the interest rate starts 1% to 2% below the current market rates. In essence, the borrower buys down their interest rate and therefore their payment for the first year or two to keep their payments lower.
And this is a great product for somebody who's expecting a raise or an intern, that their income is going to increase the next couple, 3 years. They really want the benefit of that lower payment in the first couple years of the loan, knowing they'll be able to handle the higher payments later as their income increases.
Conforming loans. These are loans that are up to $417,000.
Anything in excess of $417,000 is considered a jumbo loan.
FHA loans. These are loans that are written with either fixed rates or adjustable rates, and they are government backed. They typically require a minimum down payment of at least 3.5%.
And this is a perfect product for somebody that has limited savings for the down payment, again, 3.5%. FHA is also a lot more lenient when it comes to debt ratio and credit.
Yes. VA loans. These loans are for veterans only, and it allows the veteran to get into the property with zero down payment, and they're also lenient on the debt to income ratios.
And keep in mind, this isn't granted by VA, but it's backed by VA.
USDA, also known as rural housing. These are 30-year fixed rate mortgages. They are government backed and you can get in with zero down payment.
However, it's important to note that these products are only available in certain zip codes.
Yes. FHA 203K program. These are loans that are definitely gaining in popularity these days. This is a rehab loan issued by FHA where they actually give additional funds at the closing to fix up the place.
Correct, and these products are great for people that are a little more patient because it is a home improvement loan, so hence it's going to take more time, a little more stress involved. Anytime you have home improvements involved, or that could just be my home.
And finally, hard money loans. These are private loans granted by private investors, not banks, and typically they go on the strength of the property rather than the strength of the borrower.
Yeah, keep in mind these are borrowers that cannot otherwise get a loan through FHA or conforming, typically because of credit or income situations. Now, the down payments are still, though, it's only 50% down, and the interest rates are low. Not. Rates are high, down
Over
payments
10.
high, but that's hard money. It is what it is.
Right. That's our show this week. Hopefully you found the information useful and helpful and easy to understand. As always, if you have any questions,
Call us, email us, tweet us, Facebook us.
all of that. Remember, we are here to help you. We want to get you to the closing table as quickly and efficiently and smoothly as possible.
And if you're seeing us for the first time, subscribe over to one of these
Here?
over there, and forward it to anybody that you know. If there's any buyers, sellers, anybody that you feel would benefit or get something from the show, well, we'd really appreciate it if you would forward it to them.
And again, please check out our sponsor page. This is our team.
New
This
and
is
improved sponsor
everybody.
page, actually.
New and improved. This is everybody that you need to get your transaction done.
Great team we have there.
That's our show. We appreciate your watching. We are.
Moving forward, we'll see everybody next week.
Bye-bye.
Do you suppose they have any life on other planets?
What do you care? You don't have any life on this one.